So AI videos are taking over TikTok, getting millions of views and making thousands of dollars every single day. And what you doing about this? Exactly. That's why I'm here, not for you. I'm gonna show you step by step how to create videos like these and go viral and make a shit ton of money. So as always, let's sit down and let me show you. So what we're gonna do is actually use AI generated images, yes, and we're gonna turn them into an animated AI host. You've seen that 100% on TikTok, on YouTube, somewhere, for sure. And the reason this works, it's because personal brands tend to perform better than faceless pages. But having an AI host gives a face to the faceless page. Psychology. Bitch. So step number 1, el niche. Choosing a sub-niche in this niche is very important. The one I have to show you today is actually Professor Thompson, and it is an AI-powered professor. It's basically quiz niche along with facts niche and creates this buzz. It works very well on younger audiences, and since TikTok is overtaken by younger audiences, it performs very good, and it's gonna perform very good for you as well, if you wanna copy it. Cringe! You get the idea, and if it works views-wise, it's gonna make you money. And make sure you watch till the end because we're not done yet. You're gonna learn so much. Step number 2, el scripto. So like I've told you many times, the idea and the script are the foundation of a viral video, but the copycat method, it makes it a bit easier, together with the tool we're gonna use. And you basically want to find a viral video which is already proven to work, it's already viral, so it's gonna go viral for you as well, but you're not gonna copy it. You're not gonna copy it. Wait, chill out. You're gonna watch the video, you're gonna watch the piece of content, you're gonna understand it. Okay, so if it is a YouTube video, you're gonna copy the link and you're gonna go to our beloved tool, which is AI, link in the description, go, and you're gonna go to products and AI transcription. There you're gonna click YouTube and you're gonna paste the link and then click transcribe. You're gonna take that transcript, go to ChatGPT if you really wanna do that, and ask it to create a 30-second or 1-minute TikTok script. Or you can just read the transcript, which is faster than watching a YouTube video and making your own script out of that. Straightforward. Okay, step number 3, talking images. Now we are at the good part. First of all, generate the images using Leonardo.ai. If you don't know how to do that, you're way back. You're literally Patrick. You're gonna go to Leonardo.ai and you're gonna generate free images. Completely free. If you run out of credits, create a free account, a new account. Then again, dab. We're gonna go there and we're gonna use AI avatar. Then you can upload a face photo, you can upload an animal photo, you can do text to image and, create a character there, your own AI host there. Or you can do photo avatar or gesture avatar. You get the idea, Then you're gonna paste your script there. You're gonna choose a voice with a voiceover. Just choose a good voice which stands out and it is not the same with all the other 10 billion trillion videos. You use dab to animate your image. It can be applied to many niches. And then you take your avatar and you go to CapCut. Step number 4, CapCut tool. So you basically take your video with your AI host and you just dump it into CapCut. There are 2 scenarios. If you're gonna make those true or false quiz type videos I showed you in the niche, then you're gonna have to actually show your avatar as much as possible all the time and just add the text above, the title, the question. Or if you're gonna make story time videos or documentary type videos, then you wanna show images and make things move constantly. 2 seconds is the maximum you can go. Hell, maybe even 1 second for TikTok, because attention span, that's the word I'm looking for. So you wanna cut things up very quick. Gonna use multiple clips. I usually use movie scenes from YouTube. I have never gotten copyrighted on TikTok. Or you're gonna use AI images, or you can use simple Google images or Pinterest, which usually has better pictures when you're looking for editing. Of course, you add the subtitles and the music later on TikTok because we wanna abuse every possible method we have in order to go viral. Don't sleep on the captions. Customize them, make them beautiful, look different. Use a different font, not the same one everybody uses in those gajillion videos. That's pretty much it. Then you gotta export that shit and throw it on TikTok and go viral and make money, make some bread. You gotta go viral and you're gonna remember this video. See you when you're famous. Remember me, please, and share some of your profits. 2%. I take only 2%.
Facts that sound fake but are 100% true. 80% of Soviet males born in 1923 didn't survive World War II. The patent for the fire hydrant was lost in a fire, and sharks existed before trees existed.